to my ranch. Thank you for watching Cooking with Culture. Today we will be making some lovely Texas style ribs. It was actually an idea that was brought up by a comment, a viewer, and I was able to do it. So if you or anyone else has an idea of what you'd like me to cook, let me know in the comments, and also like and subscribe this page before you go. Now let's get this rodeo on the road. Alrighty, so fellow partners, some of the ingredients that you will need are, I have them listed in the description below, so you'll be able to read them all. So now we're going to start on the dry rub. It's actually from scratch, not a box. So what we're going to need is, to begin this dry rub, is 1/3 cup of brown sugar, sweet sugar, along with 1/3 cup of spicy chili powder. Spicy. Ooh. Oh! That's the best feeling in the world when it's the just right amount. Leading on to 1/4 cup of salt, which is excessive, but very necessary for this dry rub. Just evening it out a little bit. Don't want too much extra in there. Along with another 1/4 cup of black pepper. Oh, if I can even manage to get this open. I have no nails. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I think I might be out of pepper. Well, that amount will have to do. Along with, we got enough of this one, 2 teaspoons of dry mustard. Just evening it out. This will make it a little bit of tangy. That's what mustard does. Sweet and tangy. Need another one. Oh, that's a lot of one. There we are. We got the ingredients in the bowl. It's time for the mixing. So now that we got that all mixed up, it's time to slap them on these ribs after I clean up a little bit. We're pretty far down the dirt road with these ribs. Only thing got left to do is put some of this rub on them and put them in our smoker and or ninja cooking system. Smoker that we have over here. Let's slap them in. After we get about 1/2 cup or maybe to a cup of beef stock broth, pour it in the bottom of it. Okay, so now it's time to slap them in. 1, 2, Oh, hands are all dirty. So now, you're gonna want it to cook on low for about 8 to 10 hours. And then once they're fully cooked and they're falling off the bone good, we are going to put them in the oven on broil with some of this Sweet Baby Ray's to make it taste oh so good with that barbecue. So now that the ribs have been in there just half an hour shy of 9 hours, I think it's ready to take them out of our smoker. Lay down some tin foil and get the babies on broil and get that barbecue flavor set in. I'm gonna do that by opening the lid. Ooh, wasn't supposed to hit that. And taking them out, and actually, let's put down the tin foil first. Opening that right on up. Make sure it's just about the same length as your pan. Oh, and it just all the way came out. I guess that's what happens when you budget buy aluminum foil. Just sealing it to the sides of the pan. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take them out using the tongs. Oh yeah, they're ready to come out. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, they are literally falling off the bone. That is so good. Oh God. Oh, it's hot. Okay, I gotta grab something else from out of the drawer to help me, because this is very hot. Okay, there we go. Now that we got that hoedown all situated, it's time for the Sweet Baby Ray's. Put them on broil. In the oven they go. For just about 3 to 5 minutes, all they need. And now we wait. Yeehaw! Looks like these bad boys are ready to come out of the oven. Let me get my oven mitts on and get right to it. So now that we got these ribs all done up, it did take a long time. We had to first make the dry rub and then steam them for about 8 to 10 hours, and then we had to broil them to get that barbecue set in there. We finally got a finished product that smells and looks just as good as you would think. I'm going to try them and then give them a taste test, a MeShell review. 1 out of 10 MeShell stars. Which star do you think it's going to get? Let's try it out right now, because these are just falling off the bone and looking delectable. I am ready to give them a try. I can't wait much longer. It so fall off the bone good. It has the perfect fat content in it. And the barbecue is just sweet as candy. Sure did do a good job caramelizing it in the oven. Just as tangy as expected. That dry rub, it sure did do a good job. I think think it's time for the reviewing. It definitely received 9 out of 10 MeShell stars. I would just like to personally thank the viewer that left the comment for me to try these Texas-style ribs. If you or anyone else has a suggestion or idea of something you would want to see me cook in my kitchen, well, today it was my ranch with my smoker. Please leave a comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching Cooking with Culture. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Yeah!